This is what the Beehive can do for you. Video calls with one and with many, without downloading software. Works from the native browser and is compatible with 2 billion people. From your desktop, smartphone, tablet and your conference room. Data sharing and online collaboration. Phone calls to landlines, GSM and IP phones. Audio conferencing calls with many. Text chatting. Sending emails. Transferring files and documents. SMS text messaging. Skype calls. Google Hangout calls. Public connection buttons on your website enabling instant video calls for support, service, sales, recruitment, etc. without having to change your website. Dynamic routing to the most suitable person or resource. Full profile management with your contact details, your presentations, and video clips and links. Your personal keywords make it easy to find you. Settings to control how and when you want to be available for connections. Sending out video invite emails. When the invitee accepts, the video connection is established without downloading software. Invitations are automatically synchronized with your agenda in Microsoft Outlook. Language interpretation by real interpreters in 150 languages available within a few minutes. Messages service while you were away. Automatic video or audio answering service during your absence. Personal, on-the-fly help desk support by real people who really listen and respond. Statistical reports thanks to the cloud management system. Recording of video or audio. Streaming to the internet for public exposure. Streaming to the intranet for controlled viewing and listening. Your own private, dedicated cloud server with fixed public IP not shared with others. White label. The Beehive can be used under your name with your logo and can be customized to reflect your house style.